Hello guys, once again welcome to this wonderful tutorial. This is a link shortening website where people can make money through shortening their links. Okay, as you can see, this is the homepage of the website. You can scroll and see how it looks like. You can see you can change all these pictures in any other thing you want to see. You can see how the footer looks like. Okay, you can go to the top. This side is homepage looks like. You can see the other pages like the packages. You can see the packages, the blog. Then you can also see the affiliate links. Okay, but you can become an affiliate. You can also see the contact. Okay, you can see the contact also with the contact form below here. All right, so this is the backend. You can see the statistics. Okay, this is the backend for the admin. You can see all the user. You can also add a user. You can see all the users. You can see all the links that have been created. Okay, you can see all the pages, default pages. You can also edit anyone here that you want to edit. Okay, you can also add a custom. You can see all the posts, the blog posts. You can see the categories. Okay, you can see the category, the comments. You can also see the comments. You can also see the payment settings. Okay, in the gateways, the plans, the main setting, general settings. These are the general settings here. You can see the footer settings. You can also see the admin, the redirect. Okay, you can also see the affiliate settings. These are affiliate settings. The withdrawals, you can see all the withdrawals. Okay, you can also see the email. Okay, sorry, you can also see the email and the logs. Sorry, there's an error, but let's so this is the user backend. You can see the user backend. This is the dashboard for the user. You can see the links that have been generated. You can also see the statistics of the link. You can see the statistics of the link. Okay, you can see the affiliates. You can see how many affiliates you've got. You can see the withdrawals. You can see the payment. You can also see the plan you are in. Okay, the settings, the APIs. Okay, you can see the logs, and you can also shorten a link. Okay guys, first thing first, let's go back to the backend. Hello guys, first of all we need to register a hosting and a domain, and we are going to use Hostinger. For that is a good company. If you want a fast and reliable hosting company, use Hostinger. Okay, you can see this is the home page, and these are their packages. Okay, the first one is premium, business, and cloud startup, which the first one is $299, the second one is $399, and the third one is $799. And as you can see how many websites you can create out of each of the packets. You can see the first one is 25, the second one is 50, the third one is 100. Still you can see the bandwidth. Okay, so you can see how you can see the difference of the price. Let's say we are choosing this most popular and we are getting 71% off. Is that not amazing? So just click on choose plan. Once you click on choose plan, now if you are choosing 48 months, which you are getting plus 3 months extra free. Okay, if you are choosing plus for 48 months, you get plus 3 months extra free. Then you can see different months that you can choose from, and what you're saving is amazing guys. You're saving $480, which you are paying 191.52 cents. So all you do is just to click continue. Once you click on continue, you come here, put in your name, your last name, your country code, the phone number, your country, address, city, region, and zip code. Then you continue. You go to the next step, which is payment. Now, for Nigerians, I advise you to use a domiciliary account or use a virtual account, or you go to something like cheaper. There are a lot of apps that offer virtual cards. Okay, so you can just go there and buy pay for one, then you use it to purchase what you want to buy. And the good part is you get 30 days money back guarantee. If you don't like what you see, you don't like their hosting services, you can just return. You can tell them that you don't want it. Okay, and that is for that. So let's go to the home page. This is the cPanel backend. All you need to do once you log in, you come to file manager. Once you come to file manager, then you come to where you want to install the script. You can come, for me, I'm coming to Guru's file. Okay, want to come to where you want to install the script. Sorry, coming. All you need to do is to upload the script. You come to upload, you select, you go to anywhere it is on your system and you upload it. Once it's green, you click on go back home. Once you come back home, you extract the script you want to extract. Me, I'm extracting it to my main directory, which is the Guru's file. Okay, it's not a subdomain, it's a main domain. So you reload. Once you reload, as you can see, this the whole file here. Okay, what I want to do is I want to delete some of these. Okay, I don't need them, so I want to delete them. So I'll give you this. Okay, you will have it. Okay, so you have it inside the file I'll give to you. Okay, so you have it inside the file I'll give to you. So sorry, all you need to do is just to delete it. I don't want it. Delete it. Then you come to the files, you select, then you move. Like I said, I'm moving it to the main directory, which is Guru's file. Okay, so you come back. Okay, now it's inside here. You can see them here. So you now go to Guru's. Now go to Guru's file. Then installation process. Now, one thing with this is we have to create our database. Okay, and to do that, you come to manage my database. Okay, the database we are creating is Guru's file. Okay, already there is one called Guru's file, so we want to delete the current one. Okay, so let's delete it. So let's create a database now. The database user, and then let's create a database then. Okay, so now we're going to add it. Okay, I'm going to add them both. Then we've added them. So since my database name and the database are the same thing, so I'll just copy one. Then come to the database host, go for localhost, then put the same thing. Okay, so all what we need to do now is to install that database that database that I downloaded. So you go to php my admin. Okay, once you come to php my admin, then you click and select the Guru's file. Okay, then import. We're going to import. Once you import it, come, then you import. So it has successfully imported. Okay, then we'll come back and connect database. So the URL, you can copy it from here. Okay, then the email, then the password, and continue, then import. If you see an error like this, you import again. You can see installation is finished. Congratulations. Now we've installed this wonderful script. So all we need to do is to clean the install and go to the main home page. Wow, guys, you can see the home page. Okay, you can see the home page. This is the home page. Okay, see the home page, guys. With this script, people can start making money with shorting their links. Okay, and you can see this place, there are other options. You can add another. For instance, if there are different domains here that the person wants to shorten their links to, then other things they want the this in the link to be able to do automatic removal. How many this thing minute they want people to stay on the link page. Now, if you want to set the password for that link, depending on what you want. So now all we need to do now is to go to the back end. So you click on login. So you enter your normal details. Okay, then you log in as the admin. So as for the admin, now this is the dashboard, the back end of the admin. You can see everything here: the users, weekly link, links weekly, the links monthly, link total. Then you can see the posts, you can see the comments, you can see the sales and the revenue. Then the register analysis, people that have registered, then the link analytics. So now you can see all user here. You can add user, so you can put the name and anything you want. You can put the name. Let's say I want to create another user here. Okay, let's use this instead. It's very easy to create another user. Let's see, let's add an image. Let's just put the logo of the whole website here. Okay, so let's see. You can see it has been created. Now when you come here, you can see general settings. Okay, for now though, but you can toggle the night and day. Okay, and you can make it a full website view, a full website without edges. You can come back and you can also go to home page here. You can come back to the home page here and see everything is still the same thing. And you can go back. Let's see, you still want that night. Then this is to log out, and this to log out, and this is the profile. Okay, then you can see all the users. You can see the ones that I've added and the default ones are here. You can also edit a user. Okay, you can edit their password and whatever. Then if you want to see the links, this is where you'll be able to see the links, then the pages and the default pages. Okay, these are all the pages that we have on this website. Okay, you can see the pages and also edit the pages. Okay, some little info about the pages, you can edit them. Okay, just little info about the pages, you can edit them. And you can see some of the images for the pages that you can also change. Okay, you can change those top area. You can change some of the images though, but then you update. Okay, now come to custom pages. You can also create custom pages. You can just click on create, then you know what you want to name it, then whatever page header, then you can title it, put the background, then the content of that particular page. Okay, then the blog post, this way you can put your blog posts. You can post a blog here. Now you can put the image of the blog, then the image of the blog, then other things here, the SEO, can update it, category of the blogs, different categories and comments also. Now the payment settings, you can come to the payment, which currency you want. Okay, then the gateway here is just to stripe and direct bank. Okay, only two. That is one thing with this script. Then the plans, different plans that we have. You can see the plans here. Okay, you can see different plans that we have. You can choose what you want. You can also choose the quote, any other thing that you want to do. Domain option for the person to be able to choose different domain, API and the rest. So you can see the logs here. And website, you can see the website. Okay, you can see the website and the URL shortener. This is the name for the URL shortener. Then let's just change this image to the logo of the website itself. Then this is the description. I think this is the description of the home page. Okay, this is the main description of the website itself. The main description, so you can change it for the SEO, whatever. Okay. Okay, you can change all this, the website name, all these things here. You can change them. Okay, you can change them. So you come to, if I become, okay, then want to loader. This loader, I don't want it. Okay, don't even want it. Then I don't even want it. Okay, let's just leave the lazy loader. Any other thing I want to, if you want people to verify email, enable or disable, depending on you. Then the time zone itself, you can choose. And you understand now who that we are in Africa. So another people from other nations, you can choose what you want to choose. For me, I'm choosing Lagos. So once you save it, you can come to media. You can see the social media here. You can change it. You can come to the social auth. You can also see enable and put your client ID and secret key for Google to log in with Google. Then Google recap also. You can also activate or deactivate Google recap. Then additional feed for CSS. Then you can clear cookies. Then the footer. Okay, you can come to the footer. You can see other options for the footer. All these you can change it. You have to change them. Okay, you have to change them. Once you change them, now this you can see this is you can change the information here. You can also change everything here. For instance, I want to put Abuja. Okay, then you can see. Okay, you just change anything you want to change, then you can see. Then the admin, you can change the admin info here. Okay, anything you want to. Let's say I want to put picture for the admin. To use this picture, then you can save. Okay, then the redirect. Okay, you can come here and put how many this thing you want. Okay, let's say I just want 10. As admin, you can even add blocker. You can, anybody that has add blocker, you can remove it. Then the redirect. Okay, and the redirect domain. So the domain to be added must be an alias packed synum domain to your main domain and start with HTTPS SSL. You can check the documentation for details. So the file I will give to you, there will be a documentation there. Then you just go through it and know how to do it. Okay. Now the ban domain, the domain you don't want, you can ban them here. Okay. Then you can come back. Then ads, you can use a normal image or you can use Google AdSense, other ad networks. Okay, you can use other ad networks, not only Google AdSense, other ad networks as an opinion to your website. So the affiliate settings, you can enable or disable it. Then the statistics, you can see all the statistics here. Then the users that have been registered through the affiliate links, you can see it here. Then the payout. You can see the payout here. For instance, if you want to add another country, you can just click on add country. Let's see Ghana. Let's see Ghana. You can click on Ghana. How much you want to pay them? 0.25 from Ghana. Okay. So once you add it, then you come back. You can see Ghana. You can see Ghana here. Okay. Then the payout methods. You can see the main payout method and the minimum somebody can. Okay. You can either increase or decrease it. Let's say 25. Okay, let's leave this as 25. And also, like I said, you can also add here. You can add the name, the minimum, you have to activate it, then the description, then the withdrawal. For people that have withdrawn, you can see, then the email. You can change the email logo, then either SSL or TLS, then the host. Okay, you can put the host here, then the reply email, the receive email, the logo, the port, the user, the email user, and the password. Okay, then you can come to email content. You can edit this, all this here, then the contact email. You can add your contact email here. Okay, you can add it here. You can just edit anything, or you can even remove it. Then the language. We only have 2 languages here. Okay, only 2 languages. Only 2 languages. Only 2 languages. Okay, that's 2. So, and the logs, then the subscribe. People that have logged in, then they subscribe, then the subscribers. Okay, so let's log out and go to the front, to the other end. Okay, sorry. Okay, it's delaying. So let's log in. Okay, so log in as this user, so you see the other end. Okay, then you click. So you can see the plan, logout, and dashboard. Okay, now you can see the links you've created, the monthly link, the weekly link, monthly link, the total link, and how much you've gotten. Okay, then you can see the link quote, then the visitors analysis. You can see the links. You can see the links, for instance. Here's the link, statistics of the link, the clicks, and anything. The page view of the link, the visitors, where they are coming from, the whole analysis. Okay, you can see. Then you can see the affiliate, statistic of the affiliate that you've gotten. Then the withdrawal. Also see the withdrawal. You can choose the method. Okay, then you can input the details of your withdrawal. You can see all plan. Okay, the plan you've purchased. You can also see the plan you've purchased. This is the plan you chose. You can see the plan is a free plan. Then the settings, you can change your name, any other thing you want to do here. This for the settings. Then the API. Okay, you can see your API token here. Okay, this is your own API token. Okay. Then the logs. Then link shortener. Let's see something. Okay, let's see the main home page. You can see other options here. Okay, then let's shorten the link. Okay, okay, let's use this thing here. Doesn't want us to. Okay, let's just. Sorry. Okay, sorry. Okay, there's an error. Okay, it was logged out. Sorry. Okay. Okay. So now copy it. Then you can see the ads, and it will take 30 seconds so people can see the ads. That is the purpose of the whole thing here. People can see the ads, and you understand. So once it's finished counting, then you can continue. You can go to the next step. Okay, so you can just click, and that is that. You can just, your link is ready. Click. Once you click, you just redirect the person to where the person wants to go. Okay, guys, thank you. If you want to get the script, please contact me below. Okay, please contact me below. Okay.